In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Gemini desktop app for macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Gemini for Mac. We'll be getting the official link from gemini.google.mac. As it clearly says here, right, it's a native AI desktop app. Just click it. Here we'll be having the download for macOS option. Just select it. And if you scroll down in the same page, we'll be having some features what it offers. For example, here we are having a shortcut to open Gemini. We just need to press the keys Option and space, and we'll be getting a Gemini chat app just opened on our screen, which is a much more easier way to access Gemini. Next major feature is getting contextual help. As you can see here, it says get answers based on the context of the documents or code shared on the window. As you can see, they're having a share window feature. Next, it offers basically all the features present in the Gemini app, like creating image, videos, music, notebook LM and stuff. So super handy tool, and the download size is about 90 MB. Once it is done, just open it, drop it inside applications. Now we can either go to applications or apps. We'll be having the Gemini app. Select it. Select open. We will be getting this welcome to Gemini. Sign in with your Google account, or if you don't have one, just create an account. We'll be getting this how Gemini works. You can simply go through it and read it through, and if you want you can check this also, that's up to you. Just click on use Gemini, and that's it. We'll be getting the Gemini chat interface like this. Looks super clean, and if I click on this plus, and as you can see, we are having these many options available, and share window is also there. Basically we can share our screen and ask questions. And let's test the shortcut. Okay, so I will just close it for now, and here also on the top Gemini is open. You can either like simply click on this icon and we'll be getting this shortcut, and we can simply type anything and it will be coming here as an overlay, so we can even view the background as well as have this on the side, which is super comfortable to use. And the shortcut key that they mentioned was Option and space, and as you can see, we are getting that chat interface. Yep, you can go with a new one. You can simply try all the other features Gemini has to offer. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.